I'm Brad Levitt with AF2 Construction, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Please make sure and like, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comments any questions you have that we can answer on our next video. Now, one thing we speak about a lot is dust control. So when you think about dust control, this is the importance of, as we're moving dirt, you can see here we have the hoses running and water. We can't have air pollution as far as dust and all the little particles as we're moving dirt. So anytime we're moving dirt, we have to moisten the soil. Well, the one issue is, as you can see, we've just made this hike up this 800-foot driveway, and the water pressure, which we have a water meter down there. At some point, we're gonna have a booster up here for the clients, but as right now in rough construction, we don't have that booster. So the water pressure is not strong enough where our excavators up here can get the water they need. So what we had to do in the meantime, we have our water truck, and you may have seen these on large commercial projects. You have the water truck driving around and they're watering the soil in mass load. So we have a water truck that's hooked up. We fill that water truck up, has a compressor in there so it can generate, you know, the PSI we need to have the flow, so now we can have the water pressure that we need up here on the site. But you know, this is costly, right? This is costly to the client, costly to us. Typically a water truck can run anywhere from $275 to $450 a day, right, to use that piece of equipment. So this tank right here is 3,000 gallons. It'll hold quite a bit. So Paul just brought this up. It's just a plastic tank, you know, hold 3,000 gallons that we can continue to refill, which will allow us to get away from the issue of PSI and water pressure that's coming down from the end of the cul-de-sac. This saves on cost. We just have a one-time fee of the water tank there, and then now we can fill that up, you know, slow fill, but then it'll have the pressure, you know, with gravity as we use it to water the lot. Again, you know, this fills, you know, we don't need a ton of water pressure to spray. It's just more, put the hose in, fill up the water tank. We'll have, again, a compressor that's going to pump out the water to the hose, so in that way we can continue with our excavation. But it also, you know, it's getting hot in Phoenix, right? Let's be realistic. It's over 100 degrees every day now, so our Super Paul, he can take a little dive in here when it gets hot.